Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki SX4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to manage CarPlay. Firstly, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth. And now, to enter CarPlay, tap CarPlay button. To exit it, tap Home button here. Now, you can manage Google Maps, CarPlay Maps, phone, music, messages, settings, banking accounts, WhatsApp, YouTube Music and many more apps you've got installed on your smartphone. In the settings, you can manage driving focus, announce messages, appearance, customize icons and more. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.